What up, tube? Today is Wednesday. Today is my day off. Today I am not vlogging. Today I'm just kicking back. I'm on my way right now to the movies, me and my girl. So I just thought I'd drop a little video. What I want to do, guys, I want to do a Q&A this week on Friday. So what I need from you guys is I need some Q. So think of something that you guys want me to discuss. Anything you guys want to just talk about, let me know. You guys want to discuss any of you guys coming into the industry, and you guys that are just getting into the industry. Some of you guys might be in the industry and just, stagnant and not progressing. Any kind of questions, drop them below, guys, and we're going to talk about this on Friday. Today, I said, is Wednesday. Today's my day off, so I'll be back on the grind tomorrow. I'll be vlogging again, and then we'll get back all into this all over again. Hey, guys, remember, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. And, hey, drop those questions. I'm going to get back with you guys. Lates.